What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got for you an iPhone 12 mini case that is actually made of bulletproof material. The Pitaka MagEZ Case. This premium case, which runs for around $49.99, is 100% constructed of Aramid fiber, which is used in Kevlar bulletproof vests and other aerospace applications. So let's unbox and check out this Pitaka MagEZ case on the iPhone 12 mini. Now let's take a look at the box itself. This is the 5.4 inch, so it's the smallest case they make, which will only fit the 12 mini. You get 100% Aramid fiber, you get a 12 gram weight, 0.85 millimeter thickness, and is wireless charger friendly. On the back of the box, you have some more information telling you about the bulletproof material and the metal plates embedded into the back of the case and the wireless friendly charging. Okay, now opening up the Pitaka MagEZ box, you have their slogan, Alternative Tech Life. Opening up the inner box, you have some removal instructions for the case and a QR code to a video for help in case you need more help to remove the case from your phone. Then you have the MagEZ phone case itself. Other things in the box are the thank you card, an extended warranty card, and a product catalog of all the Pitaka's products. So the Pitaka MagEZ is available for all the latest iPhone models and comes in 8 unique colors. It's Apple MagSafe compatible, but of course works seamlessly with Pitaka's MagEZ chargers. It also worked fine with my low budget generic desktop wireless charger. Taking a look at the MagEZ case, the first thing you notice is the feel of the Aramid material. I feel it has a pleasant and luxury feel to it that really separates it from other cases. It feels strong and should be durable against scratches and gouges. This super light case is less than 16 grams with an ultra slim profile that adds a minimalistic profile to your iPhone 12. With cutouts for all function buttons and the speakers areas, it ensures easy access for the user. What else is cool is the embedded metal plates, which allow the MagEZ case to work with numerous Pitaka accessories, like their popular card sleeve. Now let me show you how to install the 12 mini in this case. All you're going to do is take your 12 mini, line it up on one side of the case, and slide and snap your phone right in. It's quick and easy and very snug and secure. So secure, in fact, it took me some time and effort to remove the case later. With the case on the phone, you can appreciate the cutouts that are on each side of the case for the power button, switch, speakers, and lightning cable. The case is comfortable, and with the Aramid fiber texture, your grip feels secure. The smooth touch finish of the MagEZ case feels amazing and looks high-end with its 12 appearance. With just a simple Pitaka logo on the bottom that doesn't overpower the aesthetics of the case, I really like the minimalist high-end feel of the MagEZ case. Taking a closer look at the case, especially around the camera, you can see that Pitaka put a slight ridge around this part to protect your lens when you put your phone on a flat surface. Also on the perimeter of the case is a slight lip that similarly protects your screen glass from touching the surface you put it down on. To wrap it up, some of what I love the most about this MagEZ case is the premium look and feel. For about $49, I expect a very good looking case for that price, and the MagEZ delivers that. The texture of the Aramid fibers and the non-slip grip of the case, the crazy lightweight of this case that basically adds no weight to your phone when you're holding it in your hand, and the embedded metal plates, which makes this so versatile with Pitaka accessories and third-party accessories. One concern I do have with the case is, will it protect my iPhone in the fall? But I'm not willing to risk my iPhone 12 mini to find out. So as always, I'll leave a link to the Pitaka website where you can pick one of these up if you choose. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews. Thanks for watching.